What's going on, guys? Double O Dude here. I'm ready to cut some metal today, so we're gonna see if we can take out all this bad stuff and see what we got left there. I'm pretty excited about it. Don't know how well it's gonna work, but let's see here if I can get all this grade A Harbor Freight safety gear on. Maybe save myself some heartache. Very likely I'm going to have to go get my vest if I'm blowing sparks all over myself. In fact, I better do that right now. Hang on. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I've got some ideas of what I'm going to do about replacing this panel too. Thinking about that original metal that I bought when I first got the bus that doesn't match the ribs in here. Just because it's such a big piece and it's going to be hidden under a bed. Thinking about maybe trying to graph it in there and saving some of my flat stuff for other projects. But let's see what we got here. I feel like I'm going to be the poster child for safety with Harbor Freight, but I'd rather do what I can to save my ears and my eyes. See how that went. Exactly how I'm going to pull this out of here, but there's a lot of it kind of stuck on the stuck, but we'll work our way out of it. That's where I first get it all out of here. A little bit of this right here. Probably have to end up getting an air chisel to get this off of this. We'll see. Alright guys, this is kind of where I'm at on things. I cut it out and I tried to clean up around the edges the best I can. I've still got a lot more grinding to do, especially on this cross member here, to get some of these pieces off of here. And then we're going to figure out what we're going to do. To give you an idea of what I'm thinking about doing, let me show you. I bought this piece of metal from supposedly a reputable Volkswagen part company, and they sent the thing to me. Let's see here. They sent the thing to me, and if you look, let me put the label up here. It says 69 to 72, but if you look on their actual hang on. If you look on their website, it shows up to 79 transporter. I got the thing, cut a piece out on it, was getting ready to get going on it, and it was the wrong rib pattern. So I called the dude back, and he's all like, yeah, as long as you haven't done anything to it and you want to pay to ship it all the way back to California, yeah, we'll take it back. And yeah, I learned my lesson on that one. So I couldn't send it back because it had been cut, and I don't trust the descriptions of anything. I always call now rather than just clicking a button and ordering it online. But anyway, I'm thinking about taking this just because it's all going to be under the bed, and I've already bought it, and maybe seeing if I can retrofit it into this space underneath where the bed's going to be. So we're going to try it out and see. I'm going to cut me a piece of it and just kind of start finessing it around and cutting it and seeing if I can get to drop in place in a way that I could actually use it. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. Check in with you in just a little bit. As you can see, there's no way any of these are going to actually line up. So I'm just trying to figure out if I can kind of move it around a little bit and just get it where I can use it. I think I could probably take a mallet and maybe some vice grips and kind of bend this flat, and then cut it out and see if we can make it fit. It's actually almost the exact width that I need. So I think that's going to be the plan as of now. I'm going to cut me off a section of it, and we'll see if we can get something to work with. Alright guys, well, my patches need patches. My actual camera kept turning itself off tonight. I don't know if I had a bad battery or what. This is started. I've got to have to re-weld it all, of course, because that I weld like a horrible child. But it's a start. I'm tired. It's takes a, I don't know, it's a lot of brain energy and learning to do something you don't know how to do. I did get to fire up the Lincoln. I'm a fan. I could have probably done this the same with the Harbor Freight though, because I still don't know how to actually use this welder correctly, but I'm learning. I'm messing with the adjustments. I'll show you what I did. Okay, well I had this horrible panel that I ordered that was the wrong shape, and I went ahead and I just malleted it, beat it to shape, and I'm going to have to cut this further back and add another piece here because that's just kept blowing through. It's just too thin. On this side, I'm just still a horrible welder, not getting any penetration. I mean, it's on there, but I still need to have a better job than that. And then what I'm doing on the back side is I cut slits in it, and I'm beating it over, and then I'm going to weld it. That was the only way I figured I could use this panel, and then of course I've got to trim this side of it and figure out how to make this little valley thing right here, which is going to be a lot of fun, but I'll figure it out. But just got I think I'm going to have to do some more grinding, some more welding, some more grinding, some more welding, and then a little bit more shaping here to get this where it needs to be, and then I'll just kind of go on to the next task. And you know, it's not going to be, luckily it's not an outside body piece, and hopefully as I continue working on the inside, that I can learn a little bit better how to control my welding and my heat, and how to better prep the welds. You know, there's a lot to it, but I'm happy. So sorry that it cut off so much and that you didn't really get to see any of the masterful you know, craftsmanship that I'm exuderating tonight, if that's the word. And but maybe next time. But y'all take care, and I'll check you again on the flip side. This is 00 Dude, and I'm out of here.